Welcome to West 12th Street, our modular HO scale Bessemer and Lake Erie Railroad layout. Until the mid-1960s, the B&LE traversed a 1.5-mile corridor down West 12th Street in Erie, Pennsylvania. During its existence, this short segment of urban trackage saw a colorful variety of operations. This included many new locomotive deliveries from nearby General Electric, daily B&LE passenger trains, coal trains, and other local customer switching. Our first train today is a local with 2 setouts and 2 pickups to make up Bucyrus Erie Company, a local large shovel and heavy equipment manufacturer. Alco S4 291 is handling the switching duties. Before returning to staging with the pickups, 291 will assist the northbound daily passenger train from Greenville. The B&LE notably had to obey street traffic light signals along West 12th Street. SD7 802 is the power for today's passenger train, seen here passing another customer, Erie Tool Company. The B&LE's Erie Depot complex consisted of both passenger and freight buildings. Today, this area is an Arby's at the corner of West 12th and Peach Street. Once the passengers have deboarded, 291 moves into position to allow 802 to run around the passenger cars for the return trip to Greenville. .802 will cross under the New York Central Main Line before entering staging. For ease of self-cleaning the layout for subsequent operating sessions, our staging yard uses a homemade powered transfer table and a piece of Atlas Flex Track. The passenger train is now positioned to return to Erie during the next op session. 291 also returns to staging with its pickups from Bucyrus, Erie. A short time later, Baldwin DS 441,000 number 282 brings another cut of cars for local customers to 12th Street. After running around several cars, 282 will work Erie Press Company. This is a manufacturer of heavy industrial forging machines. Today, this is Ajax Seco Erie Press. .282 hurriedly returns to its train with two pickups and gets into position as a B&LE coal train arrives. This coal is interchanged to the New York Central Railroad here in Erie. The power for the coal train are two B&LE F7s, 718 and 723. After the coal hoppers are spotted at the NYC interchange, the 282 crew assists the F7s on getting to the other end of their caboose before they return light back to Albion. With the coal train gone, the 282 crew resumes their day and begins working the B&LE freight house. Stay tuned for more updates from West 12th Street, as well as from the N-Scale Mesabi coffee table layout and the Tuscarawas Railway on the Millennial Modeler YouTube channel.